Hello there, this is Mark, and welcome to my channel. This is to all of you guys, all you men that are in model railroading. This video is for you, and I'm going to say the best for the last. Okay, now I'm showing you my trains, and the first train I ever got, is a Lionel train. Now this is an old scale train, and it has a light there. I think this one used to blow smoke. And let's see, oh cool! And now you can see it. See all those dials and the fire boxes they call it. But this is my first Lionel train I ever got, and let's see the bottom of it, and that hook is where you can hook up the coal car. But this is it. This is my first one I ever had, and I'll show you some more. And this is the HO scale. Carry logs and stuff like that. Pretty cool. This is a passenger train, a passenger car. Let's see, yeah. Like a window with some curtains in it. Oh, that is so cool looking. Turn around for you. Now this is a HO scale. It looks like a mail car, you know, where they carry mail. That's what that looks like. Anyway, tell. It does have a door. And I'll show you another one. That's an old scale. That's old scale. That's old scale. Here's one right here. Then this is an HO scale. Very small, but this is an HO scale train. It will blow smoke. I haven't had it blow smoke in a long time, but it will blow smoke. It's so small it will fit in the palm of my hand. Look at that. It fits right in the palm of my hand. Isn't it cool? And well, I thought that was pretty neat. I might show it to y'all. And let's see. I got some other cars to show to y'all. Let's start with this one. Mackles. Pretty cool one. This is HO scale. And let's see, I'll show another one to y'all. Now this one, the doors come open, the slides open like that. Cornflakes, the cereal, cornflakes. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? Now I'll show y'all one more. I have to show you this one. Y'all all know about the Jello. Well, this is a box car, and it has like Jello, strawberry, strawberry Jello. Okay, well, I'm just showing you some of my trains, and I have an N scale. Now, that's a different one right there, and I don't know what scale that is. It could be an old scale, but that one right there, that's in the tracks. Here is something made out of ceramics. I'm going to pick one of them up for you. Once you see it. That's just for looks. And there's one of my other ones. That's a coal car for my HO scale. Now let me show you all this. This is so cool looking. Lionel box. That's where I can keep all my trains in. So drop me a like, and there's an old scale. Drop me a like on this one, this video. Okay, so I'll say the best for the last. That's a railroad engineer cap right there. And these two are very interesting. Railroad crossing, 2 tracks. RR, I don't know, I think that means railroad crossing. Okay, comment me and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye.